We're making the transport system infrastructure safer for public society by reducing the incidence of structural failure, but there's also an occupational health and safety. One of the key benefits with Rapid is it improves the safety of the transport infrastructure or the transport system infrastructure for public society, because it preempts and reduces incidents of structural failure. So for example, preempting the collapse of a bridge. The other aspect is around the occupational health and safety, because it removes workers from dangerous situations. So current methods of bridge inspection require workers to mount high altitude vehicles, abseil, high altitude rigging. It's a dangerous situation for workers to be in, whereas with the Rapid solution, this is a drone based approach.